How to use TikTok's green screen feature. Ready to take your TikTok videos to the next level? The green screen feature is one of the most powerful tools TikTok offers, allowing you to create fun, engaging, and visually stunning content. Whether you want to transport yourself to a tropical beach or share a hilarious meme, TikTok's green screen feature has got it covered. Let's dive in. Launch your TikTok. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the plus option given at the bottom middle. Your camera will open up. Now at the bottom left, you'll find the effects option. Click on it. Different effect options will appear. Click on the search icon. Then type in the effect name, green screen, and then search for it. With that, different options will appear. Click on the very first one, effect, green screen. Now you are all set to start creating. You can go ahead and choose the background. So I'm gonna select this one picture. Once you have selected the background, now you can create the video. So I have changed to this another picture. With your background set, it's time to record. Position yourself in front of the camera, make sure you are centered, and hit that record button. You can add your own twist, whether it's dancing, acting, or just talking about what's happening in the background. Remember, creativity is the key. So this is how you can easily use TikTok's green screen feature. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.